Grab the center of the fabric with a fork. Twist the fabric by holding it with your fingers. Keep the spiral as tight and flat as possible. Tie a rubber band around the spiral. Once you pin the loose end of the spiral to the center with one hand, use the other to wrap various rubber bands around it. Arrange them so that they intersect in the center and stretch from one end to the other. Start by using 4 rubber bands and increase the amount as needed. Apply bleach to each section between the bands to form a better effect. Apply on the other side and repeat so that the cleaning sticks well. Let it dry, dry the air and sun reaches it and then wash it.
What do you need? Well, you're gonna need a white shirt, a plastic bottle, a tie-dye kit, a pair of gloves, and a plastic bag. Okay, now I have a fun and easy tie-dye technique just for you. But first, we need to use a pair of gloves to protect your hands. And after that, we're ready to roll. This technique that I'm about to show you is called the crumple technique, and this is how it works. First, take your dye bottle and we're going to fill it about a half with water. I'm going to put it on top and give it a good shake. Then what you are going to do is take your shirt and with your fingers just crumple the shirt together, just like in the video. After that, take your dye and squeeze it randomly on the white shirt as you want. Finally, after you finish, let's just cover with a plastic bag about 6 or 8 hours and enjoy the results.
Finally, we have the shiver method as the last technique. This is a Japanese technique, and to do it we need cotton cloth for dyeing, a tube or cylindrical object, a container, a rubber band, fabric dye or paint for clothes, and rubber gloves. The first step is to wrap fabric around the tube. Then we need to scratch in both ends and bind with rubber bands. Finally, apply dye. Wait 24 hours and wash with cold water to use.